on an aggravated battery.
How you doing, everybody? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here with an all-new product and the unboxing video for our brand new ECO Hideaway. As you can see, here's the brown boxes. This is what you'll get. They are available in both the high dome and the low dome version. Very similar to our LED Hideaway Duo, but this light is a little bit cheaper and has a couple different features. So what do you get in the box? First, let's open up the low dome. What you're going to get in the box is our all-new driver module. This module has 3 feet of wire on the power side connection here. It is a very simple 4-wire setup. We have power, we have ground, we have steady on, and we have synchronize as well as flash pattern. So once you set your patterns on these lights, you're going to leave them be, and then you'll synchronize them by attaching the blue wires together. Power to the white wire is for steady burn, ground to the black wire, power to the red wire is for your flashing. As you can see, we have a very nice small module. We've definitely lowered the size from our classic HAW Duo module, so this will get into a little bit tighter area, as you can see. You'll get 2 lights. They're going to come with these funny little foam socks over them, so just go ahead and throw those right in the garbage. One light's going to have 36 inches of wire. One light is going to have 96 inches of wire. We lengthened the longer light from our Hideaway Duo set. The Hideaway Duo set is a little shorter, so you're going to end up with a little bit more wire length here. Both have a nice waterproof connection right here, so they're easy to take out. This is our low dome. It's going to come with your mounting gaskets to seal it up after you've drilled your 1-inch hole to mount them. What we've also included in our ECO brand is the mounting flanges. You now get the mounting flanges with the lights. They mount right like that. So that way, if you like to put these in a fog light pocket or somewhere like that, you can use this mounting flange and simply flush mount the light. Use it like that. Very, very similar to our HAW Duo, except this mounting flange is a very beautiful piano black, gloss black finish, and our HAW Duo mounting flange is a flat black finish. The mounting flange only comes with the low dome. It doesn't really fit the high dome, so you will get a pair of mounting flanges with every pair of low domes. These lights are sold in a pair only. They're the sister product to our Duo, so the installation is very easy. Let me show you what the high dome looks like. So of course everything else in the box is the same. You will not get the mounting flanges in the high dome box, but you will get the same power supply, the same length of wire on your light heads, and the same pair of light heads, except with our all new high dome version. Now this is for the lenses, especially say the new Dodge pickup truck high beam Classic Series lens for the 2019 Classic. This will come up through the bottom and reach in to the lens farther than the low dome version, of course. So when you need the light to spread around, you can use our high dome version, especially good in the cargo lights. And as you can see, there are 9 LEDs in the high dome version. In the low dome version, there are 6 LEDs. And I know what you're all thinking. Let's see some of those flash patterns. So let me demonstrate a few flash patterns. We've got it hooked up here to our test bench. We're simply going to ground the black wire, apply power to the red wire, and as you can see, that will be your default flash pattern. You can't really tell on the camera, but that's a very fast triple flash, and I'm just going to go ahead and cycle through the patterns fairly fast to show you some of them. By applying the blue wire to ground, black, I'm able to change the patterns. You do have to apply that blue wire when the pattern is active. If you apply the blue wire when the light is off, it won't change. That's another one. That one's very fast. That one's not as fast. That's probably my favorite pattern. Everybody seems to like that one the best. It's, I believe, 75 flashes per minute, and it alternates. Same pattern, but simultaneous. Single flash, variable speed. Double flash, variable speed. This is a triple pattern. It has 3 unique settings all in one. There's a steady on pattern as well. And here's a random pattern at the end that cycles through many different ones. I believe that's the off pattern. And there's back to pattern 1. Hope this video is informative. Drop a comment, send us an email, let us know how you like these new lights. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.